Two things that I love about this wig. It is hot in this room and I'm not sweating, which means this wig is pretty lightweight, right? Okay. This color placement is bomb for my skin tone. So I don't like blonde hair directly on the root or near my face. And this color placement could not be better. Like seriously, y'all see this color placement, right? So I did use the lace melt spray because I wanted it to blend a little bit better. If I'm out and you can tell that this is a lace wig, girl, you too close. I don't know you like that. Right into the meat and potatoes. I'd like to thank Nadula for sponsoring today's video. The wig I received is Brazilian hair, 13x4 transparent lace. You guys, look at this lace. They literally did everything for you. So the wig does come pre-plucked, and it does look like these knots are so small. As I said, you do get a 13x4 lace space. You do have 2 combs on each side of the wig and a comb in the nape area. Adjustable straps within the back band there, and then you get an additional band to, you know, tighten your wig up. And of course, you have some lace space in the back if you want to pull the hair up in a pony. Cute. So I just wanted to show you guys right out of the packaging what it looks like on. You guys, I love transparent lace. I just feel like you don't really have to do too much to it. With them already pre-plucking the wig, like all of the hard work is already done for us. So the most I really want to do right now is, you know, cleanse the hair, set her and put her back on, okay? So I'm just taking like near the root area, putting my fingers through and kind of shaking the hair apart because I want fullness here, but I don't want to disrupt the curl down here. So this is a balayage black and blonde unit. Baby, can you see it? This is how black and blonde should be done. Now you would think this hair is really hot, because I thought this hair was going to be so hot. You guys, these temperatures are mad, okay? But this hair is actually super lightweight. Like, let me see. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. It's super lightweight and fluffy. I think it's coming off true to color on camera, but these highlights are not brassy at all. It's a beautiful neutral color. It's not ashy. It's not brassy. It's perfect, you guys. It's perfect for my skin tone. Homegirl is doing her thing, okay? And so let me show you what I did to get the curls the way they are. Take your brush, turn it to the side. Don't do this because that's going to separate and detangle. This, holding it like this, is going to smooth it out and make those curls clump. I let it sit and it came out like this. Of course, they're separated more because I've been messing with it, but I am obsessed with this color on me. I thought I was gonna have to do so much to this hair, and literally I just don't. I wish it had a little bit more lift here in the root, but I think when it was drying, if I would have put like some clips to like lift it a little bit, it would have done that. Just know that the roots are flatter, and some people like flat roots with curly hair. I wanted a little bit more lift here, but whatever. I know what to do next time. However, these curls, girl, these curls are amazing. Can you see this? You see this, right? These wigs just keep getting better and better. I promise you. The hair looks better. The color placements are better. They are listening to what we have to say, and I so appreciate that. So the shipping for this hair only took about 5 to 7 days. Actually, once I ordered it, it came so fast. Like, it was like I ordered it, by the end of the week I had it. It came really, really fast. So right now I'm looking at the site and it says that it is a 132.75, and actually that is reduced from 189. So this unit was already reduced, and not to mention, if you use my code, you might save some more money. I will say the wig cap is very, very comfortable. I don't have extra space. My hair fits in there perfectly. Everything is snugged to my head. It is an average cap size. The head circumference is 22 inches to 23 inches. This wig is pre-plucked with a natural hairline, and I feel like I prefer working with transparent lace than HD. HD lace, I feel like I have to put more work into, whereas this, I spray it, lay it down, do my makeup, and boom, she's set. I don't have to do anything with transparent lace. I will say, for this to be curly hair, I did not have any tangles. This is a no fail type of unit. You guys are going to love this unit, and let them know April sent you. Again, all of the links are in the description box down below. Girl, go get you this wig, because you need it in your collection. I promise you. I promise you, you're going to love it. Girl, look at this iridescent bag. She is cute. Perfectly done. Perfectly done. That's all I have to say. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And until the next time, be loved. Nadula.